a condition where the shins feel extremely painful from the muscles having lift off the bone itself. So we can't actually make the muscle or the bone heal any faster, but what we can do is relieve the tension from pushing down on the injury site where the muscles have lifted off. So what we can do is actually just loosen the muscles, and that would actually ease the pain off as well. Once again, because it's not pushing as hard, because it's not as tight, it's not pushing as hard on the injury site as it was before. So for shin splint, one very obvious test is, if this is the bone, just touching the bone, pushing against the bone would cause pain. That is the key sign, a very obvious sign of shin splints. Just gently pushing down, you'll feel pain. So what I like to do is I like to break down the anterior tibialis and the other muscles here into 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. 3. By this time, you go into the soleus. You can actually palpate by doing cross friction. That's 1 there, the second one there. So what I do is the 3 lines here. Sorry, the 3 lines here running down. I try to hit as many points as I can with trigger point therapy until I find that they all start to merge into 1 line, which will be somewhere about here. So I'll do something like this. There. If this is a true case of shin splints, the client will be in a lot of pain, but it's one of those things where they have to bear it and just keep breathing. After a bit, rub it out, down the line. As you can see, as I move down the line, I'm not moving very far away from the original point, because I'm trying to blanket bomb the area and hit and release as many points as I can. Okay, so after about 10 to 12 counts, as per normal with trigger point therapy. Of course, if you find you need to, reinforce thumbs if necessary. I'll go down the line there as well. And I'll work that all the way till I do there and there and there. Finish that line there.
On the bone, no?
No, we're not actually working on the bone, we're working on the muscle that is very close to the bone.
Yeah,
there.
I feel like you're pinching on the bone.
Yeah, that's because I'm close to the bone. Okay, so after the first line there, next point there. There, once again, same thing. And I'll work down that line once again till somewhere there, and then depending on the situation, I might go straight into the 3rd point, which would be from here, would be the soleus muscle. And there and there. Usually, of course, if I have time, I will get the client to roll over and I will hit the gastrocs and the soleus from the back of the calf as well. And that's how you treat shin splints.